Okay, YouTube. I'm gonna be putting those bike parts from the girl's bike on this one. Everything except the rims and pedals, cause I got new rims and pedals, so that's gonna go in. Got this frame right here. Not the best frame, but when I get some sandpaper, I'm gonna sand it down and repaint it. So let's begin. First thing you're gonna want to do is get your fork. See if we can get a couple on it. Get your fork. Okay. So you just screw it off like this. Like so. Take these bearings and put them over here for now. Then you bring the frame over. Like so. Pop the fork in like so. Then lean down. Then you get the then you wanna put this top washer here, like so, and get this piece right here, like a bolt. Screw it on like so. Now I'm gonna need more washers. I'm gonna have to find some, but for now I'll just use these what I got. Like so. And then, there you go. Okay, YouTube, now I'm going to put this up here so I can get working on it. Okay, let me just adjust my seat. There's some stuff I got over here. Okay, next thing is handlebars. We've got, here are these handlebars. So let's put them on. Take them by hand, and then you get your adjustable vice grips. I'm going to use the adjustables. Okay, and that's putting them straight, but they're good enough for now. Well, I'm going to be using this seat that came on the other bike for now, but eventually I'm going to put a new seat on here. So let's put the seat on. This is a quick release seat. So you just quick release it, and you just put your seat in like so. Ah, looks like I can't use this seat pull. Okay, good thing I thought ahead and grabbed another seat pull. Now the seat ain't great, but you know, this is just a demonstration video. Just put it on like so. And put it down, put the camera down real quick while I just adjust it a little bit. this real quick, a little bit. Put it on like so. Okay. Gotta always be careful. Okay, now is the seat. And now we put the crank on. So we just flip the bike over like so. Matter of fact, let me put it this way so you can see it on camera. Like so. Okay. Let me show you what it looks like in there. Okay. Sorry about that reflection, but that's my window. Has kind of a glare if you look like that. So, I'm just gonna put the camera down real quick. And then put the... Again, here's the white crank that we took off the other bike. Very simple. Basically get everything you had off the other bike we got there. Got the bearing from before. There's two bearings that come with a bike. Crank. We have this bolt that holds the bearing in place on one side. Here's the other bearing. Okay, here's the washer and nut. Real quick. Washer. Okay, so let's put it on. First thing you're gonna want to do is put a bearing in here, like so. Okay. Then what you're gonna want to do is just put it in on an angle like so. And then pop it in there like that, and then it's in. So then what you want to do is take your other bearing, put it in like so. Get that out of here, it's nasty. It's always good to grease it before you put it in, but I just don't got the time right now. So then you take this like so. And then you proceed to start screwing it in. Again, sorry for the slowness. Usually I'd have this done already, but I'm using one hand, which is kind of difficult. Let me just put this camera down while I do this real quick. At least get it started. Okay. Just wipe my hands off real quick before I touch the camera. Adjust the camera a little bit, and then you just screw it on like so. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera down real quick while I just tighten that up some more. Sorry for the inconvenience, but I need two hands for certain parts. Okay, got that in. Now it's very simple. You just take your washer, then your bolts, and you just screw it in like so.